So today I was literally in the middle of my workout and Google dropped a brand new research paper called Always On Memory Agent. Normally when something like this drops, I would have to rush home and spend like 5 hours researching it before I can even start writing a video. But instead, I just opened Telegram, I pasted the research link into my OpenClaw bot and typed the topic, and that's it. By the time I finished my workout and drove back to my studio, it already scraped the entire research paper, analyzed every competing YouTube video, found the market gap, generated 3 high CTR thumbnail concepts, and wrote a full technical script outline. And it saved everything directly into my Notion database. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I built this system using OpenClaw, Firecrawl, Apify, and Notion to create a 24/7 autonomous content strategist. So, let's build this. Now, before we even look at the code, you need to understand why this worked while I was miles away from my desk. If I ran this AI agent locally on my laptop, it would fail. Because scraping research papers, parsing documentation, and analyzing YouTube competitors take time and compute. If your laptop goes to sleep, crashes, or loses Wi-Fi mid-scrape, the entire pipeline would break. So if you want an always-on memory agent, you need always-on infrastructure. So that's why this entire system runs on a VPS or virtual private network by Hostinger, and they are the only infrastructure I recommend for OpenClaw because they actually built a one-click environment specifically for it. So if you're following along, just go to hostinger.com/Samir or just click the link in the description. Now the plan you want is the KVM2 VPS, and here's why this specific plan matters. Later in the video, we are giving our agent access to headless browsers through Firecrawl, so it can scrape websites and research content automatically, and headless browsers eat RAM. Just add it to your cart and use the coupon code SAMIR for 10% off all your yearly plans. At that price, you're basically hiring a 24/7 AI researcher for about like $5 a month. Once the VPS is live, setup is very simple. Just click here, manage on your VPS. Here on Docker Manager, go to Catalog, search for OpenClaw, and click here, Deploy. Hostinger automatically installs Docker, the OpenClaw runtime, and the environment configuration. So without any terminal setup or dependency issues, just one click and your AI agent server is live. Look here, OpenClaw OADS is the VPS name. Now a quick note. Hostinger actually gives you a free Nexus AI credits right out of the box. So if you're a beginner, there is zero hassle with the API keys. But I have exhausted my Nexus AI credits, and today we are building a production grade content engine, so we need massive processing power. So I'm going to show you how to inject your custom LLM. Here on projects, go to manage, click on .yaml editor in this environment. Look here, I have pasted my Google Gemini API keys here. To get the API key, just go to aistudio.google.com, get API keys and create an API key here. Copy this and paste it here in the terminal inside the variable called Gemini API key. Now click on deploy. I'm using Gemini because of its context window. Like when a bot scraps 5 technical documentation and read a dozen of YouTube transcripts, like we are talking about hundreds of thousands of tokens. Gemini 3.1 Pro has a 1 million token context window, so it like won't forget even a single detail. Plus, we can monitor all our API usage cleanly inside our Google AI Studio. To open OpenClaw, here in the Docker Manager, projects, copy the gateway token and click on this link. Just paste the gateway token here and log in, and here you can see I'm on OpenClaw interface. For Telegram integration, just copy the Telegram's token from BotFather and paste it here on the raw config file of your OpenClaw. And if you want to know how I did this, you can watch my previous video. But right now the bot is a blank slate. We need to give it an identity. We basically need a handshake. So do not treat OpenClaw like ChatGPT. You need to imprint your persona onto the server. So I just texted that let's get to know about each other, and it replies asking for what I do, how I work, what annoys me. So here the foundation is set. OpenClaw knows exactly who I am. Now we need to give it the tools to research and write. Okay, now let's turn this into a fully autonomous content strategist. To do that, I combine all the instructions, system logic, prompts, everything I use into a single prompt. I'll call it as a God prompt. So instead of burning tokens and writing prompts manually every time, you can just paste one master prompt right here that I have created. So you can grab it from the description below. Right now it's incomplete though, because you'll need to insert your API keys in a few places. At this point, Claw has a brain, but it's sort of blind. It can't access the internet, it can't see YouTube, it can't save everything outside the server. So to make this actually useful, we need to give it the access to three tools. First is Firecrawl. Normal web search is terrible for AI agents because it pulls ads, pop-ups, and tracking scripts and like messy HTML. Firecrawl really fixes that. It crawls websites and extracts clean markdown, which is perfect for LLM reasoning. So just search Firecrawl API in your browser. Open the website, sign up using GitHub or Google. I have already signed up. So in this dashboard, in the left sidebar, click here on API key and copy your API key. Then in the prompt, paste that key into the Firecrawl section. Next, we need a YouTube competitor intelligence. For that, I'm using Apify because I don't want to use YouTube's API, official API. Okay, search Apify in your browser, just create an account and here open the console. In the actor search bar, type YouTube scraper. We are using this actor as a market research engine. It lets the bot search YouTube, pulls video titles, extract view counts, download transcripts, and like analyze engagement patterns. Set maximum videos per search term to 25, and here turn the download subtitles on. Then in the filters, set sorting to view count and date filter to this month. This lets the agent analyze what is actually going viral right now. So now click API, go to API endpoints, and copy the API key here to run the actor and just paste it into the prompt. Okay, now we need somewhere to store these research results. For that, I prefer Notion. You can also use Google Docs or like let OpenClaw create an entire Kanban board. For that, just go to developers.notion.com, log into your account and click here to create a new internal integration. I'll call it as Claw. I've also given it a logo. Once you create it, copy the integration token and go back to your Notion workplace. Here you can see I've already created a database called Content Pipeline. It contains fields like topic, status, market cap, technical build angle, thumbnail idea, video script and all. And here is the step that everyone misses. Click the three dots here in your database, connections, and add your Claw integration here. Without this step, the agent cannot write or read to your database. Now paste that key in our prompt, and for the Notion database ID, here click on the link on top and copy this number. Now paste it here. Okay, now at this point, we already have Gemini 3.1 Pro as our main reasoning engine. Gemini already has native Google search and YouTube understanding built in. But because OpenClaw is modular, you can also plug in APIs like Perplexity or Deep Research or like Grok for real-time Twitter data. This will create what I call an LLM council where multiple models debate the research. But we don't need that today. Gemini, Firecrawl, Apify are more than enough, like at least for me. Now I'll copy the God prompt and paste it here and hit enter. Wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and here you can see research engine online and waiting for topic, and perfect, the pipeline is built. Now the real question is, can Claw actually replace a $10,000 a month content strategist? So let's test it. I'm sitting at my desk and I just text my Telegram bot exactly what I did in the intro, that the topic is always on memory agents, and I have pasted the link here. I'll hit send. Now watch what happens in the background. Instantly Claw wakes up. First, it triggers Firecrawl. Instead of scrapping messy Google results, it goes directly to the GitHub repositories, documentation pages, and research papers to understand how memory agents actually work. So next, it hits the Apify API. It searches YouTube for memory agents, pulls the top 25 competing videos, extracts the titles, view counts, transcripts, and like analyzes what hooks and thumbnails are driving clicks right now. Finally, it sends all of that raw research to Gemini 3.1 Pro. Gemini processes the data, applies the Samir Vish persona we configured earlier, and structures everything into a creator-ready output. And like that's it. Without me opening a single tab, a brand new card just appeared inside my Notion content pipeline. Let's open it and see if the output is actually good. First, look at the technical build angle. Instead of a vague explanation, it generated a real production grade build concept. Exactly the kind of technical angle my channel focuses on. Now look at the market gap and hook. It analyzes YouTube competitors and identified something most videos completely missed. That right here is an insanely strong hook. Next we have the thumbnail idea. These are based on patterns from top performing videos in this niche. And finally it generated a complete modular script outline. The pacing matches my style. It like uses my terminology like applied AI, and the entire video structure is already like mapped out. So this is not vibe coding. This is a vertically integrated autonomous content engine. In like about 60 seconds, it did technical research, competitor analysis, hook generation, thumbnail ideation, and script writing all at one place. And that's roughly like 10 hours of manual work. And because it's running on my Hostinger VPS, it can do all this while I'm asleep, while I'm at my gym, or like while I'm filming the next video. Okay, let's look at the brutal math of what we have just built. If you hired a YouTube content strategist and technical researcher to do this level of deep research, computer analysis, and script planning, you would easily be paying thousands of dollars every month. Like they need sleep, they need weekends off. Like you just build a system that costs like $5 a month only. A $5 hosting a VPS and a few cents in API calls. It works 24/7. It lives inside your Telegram inbox and it executes research workflows at the speed of compute. I packaged everything from this video for you. The Notion content pipeline template and the full copy paste quad prompt are linked in the description below. You don't have to guess the syntax. You don't have to wire the integration. Just duplicate the template, paste the prompt, and research engine is live. But remember that none of this works if your agent dies the second you close your laptop. Like step one is always the infrastructure. Just go to the link in the description or just type hostinger.com/Samir. Grab the KVM to VPS, use the code Samir for a discount, and deploy your always on AI agent today. And if you want to see me push this even further, maybe building an autonomous agent that edit your videos, let me know in the comments, and hit subscribe if you actually want to learn applied AI. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.